breakfast burritos. Available at a participating.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got an update on this Auto Crazy portable radio, AM, FM, shortwave, and I've got several comments on my previous video, and some with some valuable information that I overlooked. One is, if you look at the ad on Amazon, it states that there is a rechargeable internal battery. Now, if you look at the documentation, it doesn't mention that at all. It doesn't tell you how to charge it or anything. So, after I got that comment from one of my subscribers, I unplugged the AC adapter or cord, and I have no batteries in it, no D-cell batteries, and as you heard, it's playing. So apparently it's got an internal battery. I have no idea how it's charged, whether it's charged via AC or is it charged via putting in D-cell batteries. I have no idea. There's nothing in the documentation. This thing is crazy. Also, I had a request to try shortwave reception during a time where there could be some shortwave reception. Now, keep in mind, I'm just using the built-in telescopic antenna. But here we go. So I'm going down to shortwave. See, the bottom is 2. So that's 1. Let's go to 1. That's the lower part of the band, 3 to, I think, 13 megahertz, which where I'm this time of day. It's 5 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So I should be able to receive some stations close, like Cuba, South America. So we're going to try it. We turn the volume up. And go all the way to the beginning of this band. Now what's interesting is it acts like it's a DSP digital receiver, but it doesn't totally mute. Well, here we go. 3 megahertz and up. Slowly. And with that short antenna, it's going to be kind of directional. But depending on where I've got it, will depend on what I can receive. Should get something around 6 megahertz from down south of me. Now, when I had it over close to me, away from this desk, I was picking up some shortwave stations. Let me move it away from the desk. If I pick up something, then I'll bring it back. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. It's loud and clear. So you have to move the antenna around. Now the antenna it rotates and you can move it down and up. Or backwards and forward, however you want to call it. So we can move it. Now putting my finger on the antenna helps. Now let me turn that down. Putting my finger on the antenna helps, gives it a little more capacitance, therefore it appears to be longer. Using a clip antenna, the 20-foot one I've got, that real antenna, that should help it a lot. But I am picking a station. I think this is Radio Habana out of Cuba. Turn it back up. Now it's much clearer when I move away from his desk. So let me move it away from the desk again and see if I can find another station. Nope, that was the only station I could pick up on that band, and I don't think I would pick up anything on the upper band this time of day. That band works better late afternoon. And it's, like I said before, it's really struggling because propagation is low, which I think it's just about 100 solar flux index. I'm in my office with lots of electronics. The antenna is way too short for shortwave, so you're going to have to add a clip-on antenna or something like that. But I really appreciate the comments I got, and especially from the gentleman that told me about the internal antenna that I had totally missed. I mean, the internal battery I had totally missed because it is not mentioned at all in this manual. Like I say, the manual is... like, well, it's got a picture, that's one page, and then it's got this little right up here, and some specs here, and that's it. That's the whole manual. Instructions are, get them so I can see them, power and volume button, tuning button, switching to the various bands, external auxiliary input, and the use of headphones. That's it. So actually you're getting more than I mentioned originally in the original video. You are getting a built-in antenna. I think it's only 1,000 milliwatt hours, so it's not very much. So that's it. I just want to let you know about that additional information, and thanks for the gentleman for providing that. And have a great day. Bye-bye.